guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Wang Sulong and Shan Yichun singing If Love Forgets on The Circle of Sound episode 12.
Oh, this is setup.
I don't know, but her voice really beautiful. The setup looks like stairs.
Yeah.
Remember we had one performance where the two people went up the stairs and I said, oh, they're gonna meet up at the top. So this is kind of similar, I think. Was that a music video or performance? I don't remember.
Performance.
I think this is kind of similar. You see the stairs? Those stairs kind of give like optical illusion almost.
Yeah,
Like
they're not real.
Yeah, this is a great staging.
It complements her outfit. I wonder if this is like a wedding, like if she's looking like a bride.
Oh, no, what do you mean the wedding? Like the song is about
like between the two people, this is a couple.
Yeah, I think it's because the song is If Love Forgets, right? So definitely assuming like it's obviously a love song. I don't know if it's a wedding though. That beat melody is so dramatic with those little water droplets. Very dramatic. I wasn't expecting a pickup, but I kind of thought it was going to be like a slow song all the way throughout. That's very interesting.
Together or meet up at some
yeah, I mean, it's still halfway through, maybe they will, but I did kind of expect them walking towards one another and kind of meet up and have that like epic moment at the end. As far as the performance goes, yeah, I did think of that, if we would get that. I wonder if it's like a competition show or just, just singing. Because we never reacted to the Circle of Sound before, so I'm not sure.
To me, it seems like there's no staircase there because it looks like a proper square. But then when when it turns, you see where the illusion lies.
Yeah.
This is a pretty setup.
No, the staging is great.
back together.
Yeah, I do kind of. For me, like the missing piece is like them meeting up. Maybe the lyrics of the song doesn't call for that. Maybe they're like breaking up in the song, but it doesn't sound like a breakup song though. That's the thing. It sounds like they should, and everything about it kind of shows like they should meet up at the end. So that's kind of a missing moment for me a little bit. Like. And they're not even looking at each other. That too, kind of them not.
Very distant.
Yeah, them not meeting up and them not looking at each other kind of gives a little disconnect between the two. Which, so if it is a competition, that's no bueno for them. If it's not a competition, then notice what it is.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.